Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all the top tricks of this device. So at first, and the most important one, is that we have the application for our Teufel Real Blue headphones. In this application we can manage all the options for our device. For example, equalizer, dual connection mode, some auto off features, etc. And apart from that, as for the features of our headphones, we have the equalizer, which is here. But at first we have to play some music, but we have the equalizer. We can manage the high tones, low tones and mid tones. Apart from that, we have a lot of features in this section here. For example, auto off. We can enable the auto off either for 3 hours or 1 hour or 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 and 5. So if our headphones are inactive for this time, they will be turned off automatically, of course. Apart from that, as you can see, we have the voice assistant, so you can use our Google Assistant or Siri directly on our headphones. But we can disable it, so we don't use it too. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.